guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Faith or Johnny. I know you're not seeing my face right now. That's because I just want to go straight into the video. In today's video, I'll be sharing job opportunities in New Zealand for job seekers. After my video about how to migrate to New Zealand, a lot of you guys messaged me telling me to make a video on how to get jobs or post jobs opportunities, and I've done my research. Here are websites and job opportunities for you in New Zealand. So in today's video, I'll be sharing dedicated websites where you can find jobs in New Zealand, how to go about your job search, and even if you're a fresh graduate, there are opportunities for you to apply for jobs in New Zealand as well, as long as you have the qualification. And if you're an experienced person without qualification, you can also apply. That's one good thing about this New Zealand. They are really in need of workers, so this is the best time and best opportunity for you to get started. Anyway, before we get into the video, give this video a like right now. Smash the like button. Let me just to support your girl, and let's head right into the video. So here's a job in New Zealand, oversee mechanics. So you are someone who pays attention to details, gets on well with others, knows how to care for your customers. So you need IELTS results to satisfy the New Zealand English if English is not your first language. This is for overseas candidates. All you need to do is click apply under here. Also, they said we are accredited with Immigration New Zealand and have a long track record in supporting overseas candidates to join us. We offer relocation support and a path to residency via Immigration New Zealand green list. Please apply to register your interest, and we'll be back in touch to guide you through our recruitment process. Benefits you get is medical insurance, team-based incentive, free uniform. So what you are looking for, you are required to have the following experience: an overseas qualification assessed as suitable to our requirement, 3 years plus 3 years full-time relevant workshop experience performing maintenance and repair work on a safety aspect on the road vehicles, or 4 years of relevant experience if no qualification is held. So even if you don't have qualification, if you have 4 years experience, you can apply for this job. Like I always say in my video, experience is way much better than qualification, but of course you still need qualification for some jobs. Let's not get that twisted. This is another job. We are looking for site managers to support various construction and infrastructure projects through New Zealand. So the site manager will be responsible for managing site team, ensuring safety, quality, and all of that. So if you read all the requirements and you fit in the role, you click apply. Find jobs in New Zealand. So this website is for those who are searching for jobs in New Zealand, international job seekers. But mind you, they still have jobs that require you to have New Zealand work permit to be able to do the job. But some jobs, they will not require you to have New Zealand work permit. So you just need to look for a job that you read the description. As long as it is not saying that you need to have New Zealand work permit to do the job, you can apply for that. So registered nurse. So if you're a registered nurse, you click on this job to tell you all the requirements. To be successful in this role, you will have the following: a current annual practicing certificate. So you have the certificate that allows you to practice nursing, experience as a registered nurse, excellent time management skill, flexibility to work on a roster shift. Here are the benefits. We offer you a unique opportunity to relocate to New Zealand and experience everything it has to offer. If you're an amazing lifestyle, rewarding career, we can guarantee this to exchange you we've been waiting for. Instead, you just click apply now. I think once you click apply now, it will bring you here to register. This is a dedicated website for those in the health sector. So if you're a nurse, a doctor, you can find jobs here for overseas candidates. It's time to experience the Kiwi lifestyle. We have many overseas health professionals living in New Zealand who have chosen society over workforce, reflects this amazing diversity in our knowledge. So this is for overseas workers. So if you want to migrate to New Zealand as a healthcare person, this is a dedicated website where you can find job. If you're not a New Zealand citizen or resident, then you must have a visa to work in New Zealand. There are numbers of different visas you could apply for depending on whether you want to live in New Zealand permanently or you want to work and live in New Zealand permanently. You could apply under the skilled migrant category. many health professionals do that. So I mean, there is a permanent visa you can apply for. This, they call it work to resident. So let's look for jobs here. So you click on search for jobs, different job roles, both in the health sector. So this was even posted today, 26th August. I'm guessing today is 26th of August. Yeah. So occupational therapist, social worker, these are recent jobs that they just post. So if you're if you're in the healthcare sector, just go to kiwihealthjobs.com and you search for jobs in New Zealand. As applications are received, they'll be reviewed and shortlisted. May take place earlier than the advertised closing date, so they might take this down. So you also need to check that the job is full-time, because I'm seeing 20 hours a week. This is website for those who are looking for jobs in New Zealand. So both even if you're an overseas candidate, you can also apply for jobs. What's the worst that can happen if you apply for the job? They will tell you no. So why are you not taking the step? Just apply for the job and do not bother, oh, if it's, am I eligible or not? If you're not eligible, you will not get the job, but just try first. If you will never know if you're eligible, if you're qualified, if you do not try. So you can just apply. So they even take in new graduates. I mean, new graduates midwife. I mean, if you just finished from school, so that means even if you don't have experience, you can still apply for those jobs as long as you have the qualification. So that is it for the health sector. So if you're in the health sector, just Google kiwihealthjobs.com and it will bring you here. And sick.co.nz. About this sick website, you need to be very careful because they have the websites for different regions and countries. So you need to be completely sure you are in the New Zealand. You're clicking on the New Zealand website. So it's sick.co.nz. So you can, I've already done the whole, filtering. I put sponsorship visa, I put accounting. So you can now search for jobs. So this is PwC New Zealand. They need senior associates. That's to say they're going to sponsor your visa. You click on the job. PwC is a very big brand. It's one of the big fours. We all know that if they're in any country, they always have their sponsorship license. And this job was posted 2 days ago. So this is in Auckland. Auckland is the capital of New Zealand. So you're going to be in the city center. So we're looking for experienced auditors to join our financial insurance team and all of those. So they need 3 years of experience as an auditor and so many things. Look at it. So if you're interested, you click the apply button. Also, another straightforward way you can do it, if you know big brands that you want to work for, you can check these big brands out to find out if they are eligible sponsor, if they can sponsor your visa to New Zealand. You can just go to their website direct, change the location on their website to New Zealand and search for jobs there. I think I'll make another video to show you how you can search for jobs with big companies, global brands in different region and country of your choice. So it doesn't have to be in a particular country. If you decide you want jobs in UK, you can go to PwC career page, change the location to United Kingdom, and you see the roles available in the UK and you can apply. So if you're interested, you click apply now. Let's take a look at the other job. This is another one, account administrator. Like this one, I said you must be a New Zealand citizen or have full residence to apply for this position. At this point, you are unable to access the visa sponsorship. So just once you click on the job, read the job description. If they are not, the companies that are not sponsoring, they will specify it here because they don't want to get overwhelmed with application. So if you don't see this disclaimer, like we don't sponsor, then go ahead and apply for the job. Stop looking for jobs that will boldly write it, we offer sponsorship. as you can see, PwC New Zealand, they have
getting a job in New
visa,
Zealand is
but they
totally
never
free,
mention it in the
and
job,
this is something you can do yourself. You do not need to pay any agent or anyone who promised to get you a job. So please do your research and do the needful. And also, some people are posing to be me, sending messages to people personally saying they'll help them get a job, come and pay. I do not do that. I will never do that. So please do not fall for scam. All my information are free. I do not charge for anything. So I hope this video helps, and give this video a like, subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.
What they will assist you with in return, we will assist with visa application and provide sponsorship and support for permanent resident. The good thing about New Zealand is once you move into New Zealand with the work, you can start processing your permanent residence like almost immediately. They do not provide your bank or credit card details when applying for jobs, so you already know this job is just click apply. You already know this has sponsorship.